Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a traditional art that uses needle and thread to create lovely patterns on fabric. It is simple, creative and very relaxing. Many people love embroidery because it adds beauty and elegance to cloth, home decor and gifts. Let's explore some popular and easy hand embroidery ideas. First is a floral embroidery design. This is one of the most common and beautiful designs. You can make roses, daisies, tulips or simple small flowers. Flower embroidery is perfect for beginners. It looks very pretty on dresses, pillow covers and tablecloths. With just a few colorful threads, you can create a fresh and lovely design. Next is the leaf and vine patterns. This design is very natural and elegant. It uses simple design, leaf patterns, shapes connected with vines, lines and like vines. It looks very soft and stylish. Many people use this design on borders and dupattas and scarves. It gives a very classy and traditional look. Now we have the backstitch embroidery. This is a very easy and backstitch. It is used to make outline and simple shapes. You can write names, make borders or create small designs with the stitch. It is perfect for beginners who are just starting embroidery. Another beautiful design is the curtain chain stitch pattern. This stitch looks small, connected loops like a chain. It is very useful for making covers, flowers and decorative borders. Chain stitch give a soft and decorative finish to any fabric. Next is the cross stitch design. Cross stitch is made by creating small X shape on fabric. It is very popular all around the world. You can make flowers, animals or even small pictures using cross stitch. It is a little detailed but very enjoyable once you learn it. Now let's talk about satin stitch embroidery. This stitch is used to fill shapes with smooth thread work. It gives a shiny and neat look. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.